Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pretty and Innovative Things. I welcome all my friends with this new video with so many best wishes and prayers for all of you, and happy belated Eid to all the Muslims around the world. Although this Eid was not as much happy as it happened to be in the past, because there happened so many incidents in Pakistan, like the airplane crash and so many other things. And one thing more, that Corona is not letting us stay happy and rejoice. It is not the same situation. We are actually all suffering from it, and all the humanity is striving and struggling to survive through these things. And it is important now at this time to be confident, to stay positive, and to believe in yourselves and to follow the official guidelines, because life is precious. We have to be careful, we have to be responsible at this situation. The lockdown in so many countries is over, but still there are news. I have heard that it is again going to be imposed, because the situation is not better yet. It has not been controlled yet. The situations are still in front of us. So at this situation, so everyone is actually going through these things, and it's the time when we need to indulge ourselves in the things that keep us busy mentally, physically, in every way, and it gives positive vibes to us. Because when we keep just staying passive all the time, it doesn't leave very good impressions on our physical and mental health. So we need to do something that keeps us busy. So doing crochet is the best thing. It's a therapy. It gives you comfort, it gives you peace, it gives you soothness, and so many things. If you are just looking for the things for your home decor, and you trying to make something beautiful, cute, that looks stylish, that keeps you busy, and that is good at the end. Because when we actually think to keep ourselves busy, it is important that what thing we are going for, what is the thing that we are going to make, what is the thing that we are going to spend time for, because time is precious and we are not going to waste our times. We have to create something very amazing and wonderful at the end. So doing crochet is the best solution for these things. If you are wishing to make these kind of things that give you peace, aesthetic pleasure, and you feel energetic and positive, and you want to stay above all healthy and fresh, then crochet and these ideas are for you. You can follow these designs, you can get ideas from my videos, and you can make these kind of beautiful crochet birdhouse or bird hangings for your home. This looks so pretty. Even if you are not having any birds in original, in reality these hangings would be adding a reflection of the birds, and these would be looking so cute. These are beautiful and everyone loves these kind of things. And I request you, all my dear friends and viewers, if you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and keep visiting to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you may get all the latest updates in the future. And I'm so thankful for all the best wishes, for all the appreciation that you guys give to me. Thank you. Take care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe.